Hey, what's going on, y'all? Life of being a truck driver. Absolutely enjoy it, though. Just got off of work right now. Been up since 3:40 a.m. Heading to the store, pick up groceries, heading home. Get myself together to do a full body workout. After that, do like a sauna session. Very important to do sauna sessions, just to relieve all the toxins in the body after the workout. Whatever y'all do, just be consistent, no matter what. All right, everyone, have a good day. Keep your shine on and stay healthy. Peace.